for us to send a message, a national message to our team that's playing in Scotland tonight, and just to show them the crowd that's here and how much joy they bring to the people. And while there's been a lot of negative comments about the losses so far in the north, I have not lost hope in the Fiji team. And to the management, the coaching staff, captain, and the players, we still have confidence in you. I still have confidence in you. And as a former player, as I said the last time I recorded a message to you, I will always be supporting the Fiji team. So go out there, do your job, see how many people have come to watch the girls win the semifinals match this afternoon. And just imagine how many more will be there supporting you. As I said the last time, your chief, your sibling, your relative, everyone in Fiji is behind you.